Hi lovelies, it's Amara here. Welcome back to my channel, Live Love Lloyd. And today I'm coming at you with a DIY on how I took my Netflix and chill sweater to Netflix and slay, honey. If you lovelies want to see how I came up with this DIY, then
Okay, lovely, so you are going to need a sweater, some scissors, pins, Clorox, and an empty spray bottle. The first step is to examine the fit, and before I talk about that, I just want to say excuse me for the little fairy dust that want to be flying in the camera, but anywho, so you want to try on the sweater and find exactly where you want it to be. Figure out if you want it to be longer crop sweater or a shorter crop sweater. I'm going for the shorter side, so I use my belly button as a pointer, and once you figure out where you want it to be, then you're going to grab your pins and just pin each side, one for the sides, one for the front, and one for the back. And yeah, I'm pretty much good to go. Now I'm taking a couple of seconds to check myself out. Not that I need to, but you know, I'm extra, so. Next step is to detach the extra fabric. I'm going to use the pins that I placed in the sweater from earlier as a guideline for me to cut a straight line, which doesn't necessarily have to be straight because this is supposed to be a distressed look and you want it to look a little rough around the edges. Duh. Now we are going to stitch the bottom of the sweater because it is now open. So we're going to stitch the bottom of that. I'm going to stitch the two sides, and I'm going to stitch the top part just to ensure that the pocket is sturdy. Here you want to make sure that you place the sweater underneath the sewing machine foot properly, because if you don't, ladies, you definitely will not get a straight stitch. And hello, we definitely want a straight stitch. And as you can see, I just did a forward stitch and a back stitch that just locks the stitching in place and it won't open up at all, so you'll be good to go. And lovelies, you just want to take your time, make sure that you get a good stitch, so that is what I'm doing here. And I am just sewing up the sides and the bottom as well. After that, step 4 will be to mix the bleach and the water. I would say I mixed about probably 35-45% of water, and then I mixed about maybe 25% of bleach. So that looked like it was about half of the bottle, but don't ask me, I'm no mathematician. Okay, so step 5 is the fun part. Here is where we distress the sweater with the bleach, and I am just going to spray that mixture on the entire sweater. I'm not putting it in any specific order. I don't really care for it to be in any specific order, but I'm just going to spray it on the sweater, allow it to sit in, and after that, ladies, you want to throw your sweater into the washing machine, or you want to go old school like a West Indian and hand wash it.
okay lovely, so that concludes this video. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you definitely try it out because it's nothing too hard, and it's what, probably like less than $5 if I'm right, what I spent, I mean besides the sweater. But you can use any old sweater in your house to revamp or upcycle. So yeah, best to believe there's going to be more videos coming your way like this, so stay tuned. I want to thank you all who have been holding me down for the last couple of years, or last year and some change that I've been gone. Thank you for sticking around, and if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because this channel is gonna be popping. You won't get what you're looking for, alright? If you lovelies want to continue this friendship outside of YouTube, go ahead and follow me on Snapchat at AMUVA Amava, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Live Love Lloyd, the same exact name as my YouTube channel, so we can continue talking via. I love you guys. Thank you for holding me down once more, and until next time, live, love you. Bye guys.